What do you need to know about traffic stops in the Muscogee Creek Nation? My name's Ted Hasse. I'm an attorney practicing in federal and tribal courts in eastern Oklahoma. This is part one of a series that I want to do talking to folks about what they need to know about traffic stops within the boundaries of the Muscogee Creek Nation reservation. This is mostly directed at folks who are Native American, who are members of some federally recognized tribe. However, a lot of it can be applied, in situations that are people who are non-Native American find themselves in, and then note that this applies whether you're getting pulled over by Lighthorse Police, that is the police force for the Muscogee Creek Nation, or you're being pulled over by law enforcement from another law enforcement agency from one of the counties within the Muscogee Creek Nation or one of the municipalities. So first, let me address jurisdiction. Most of the time in the Muscogee Creek Nation, within the boundaries of the reservation, if you're being pulled over, you're probably not being pulled over by Lighthorse Police. They don't have a large police force, and they operate mostly around Muscogee, near the capital of the Muscogee Creek Nation. If you're being pulled over, you're probably being pulled over by either city police, in Tulsa, one of the municipal city police, or sheriff's deputies for one of the counties. Understand that for nearly every law enforcement agency within the boundaries of the Muscogee Creek Nation, there's a cross-deputization agreement between the nation and the municipality or the county, stating that law enforcement agents from those counties, cities, can enforce the laws of the Muscogee Creek Nation. So the first thing you need to know is, can they pull you over? They see your Muscogee Creek Nation or your Cherokee Nation or whatever plates you're driving with, Choctaw, Okapaw. Can they pull you over? Yes, probably. And what you want to do is the best thing to do is to cooperate, be polite, and if there's some jurisdiction problem, we're going to sort it out later. Now, when law enforcement approach your vehicle, they're going to probably tap the back of your vehicle. That's in order to put their fingerprint on your vehicle in case you take off. That's kind of a standard police procedure. And whether it's Lighthorse Police or anybody else, they're going to come up to your window. And, the question they seem to love to ask is, do you know why I pulled you over? Don't ever answer this question. It's an interrogation question. At a surprisingly high rate, people will tell them all kinds of crazy stuff. They say, well, I sure hope it wasn't about the 50 pounds of methamphetamine in my trunk. Well, that's going to end badly for that driver. Probably that answer isn't given a lot, but surprisingly frequently, law enforcement officers claim that individuals during a stop will just voluntarily give them information when they ask that question. If an officer asks you, "Do you know why I pulled you over?" You simply ask them, "Why did you pull me over?" So that you can find out from them directly what it is that they think is wrong. In terms of your rights, they have to have some reason to pull you over. So, it's going to be a tag, it's going to be a brake light, or, if you had a bad lane change, perhaps you were speeding. But, at this point, they have the right to do a few things. They can ask you for your ID, insurance, registration, provide that to them. One other thing I'd note is that there are two schools of thought with regard to what you do with your window. You don't have to roll your window all the way down, but boy, it really seems to provoke police officers when you just do it a little bit and slip your stuff out the window. it's your call. You don't have to roll it all the way down. Me personally, during a stop, I roll my window all the way down. I hand them my documents, and then I don't answer any questions because I'm not interested in helping any investigation that they want to engage in while they have me stopped. I'm going to continue this series, and I hope you continue to follow. Again, my name is Ted Hasse. I can be reached at the number below. And if you have some issue in the Muscogee Creek Nation, a criminal matter, I hope you'll give us a call.